If your last attempt at building a multi-sided project still brings up bad memories, or if you've never had the nerve to try one, these new router bits are for you. 6, 8, 12, and 16-sided cylinders and polygons with a perfect fit, plenty of glue surface, and no splines needed to reinforce the joint. Ultra-Shear's 3-flute bird's mouth joinery bits mill a square corner into the edge of your board. The base of the square corner is at an angle to the face of the board. By fitting the square edge of one workpiece into the bird's mouth of the next, you can build a multi-sided cylinder that always fits perfectly and locks in place during glue-up. The precision joinery is built into the bit. All you have to do is make sure all the pieces are the same size and have square edges. The 45-degree bit makes octagons. The 30-60 bit makes 6 and 12-sided objects, and the 22.5-degree bit makes 16-sided objects. The 12 and 16-sided objects have exterior ribs, which can be left in place as a design element, or smoothed off with a sander or block plane, or turned off on a lathe. But don't stop with just equal-sided cylinders. Bird's mouth joinery can go in dozens of different directions just by varying the size of the joining pieces. By mixing different wood species and staggering dimensions of opposing elements, there's no limit to what you can make. And you'll find the Ultra-Shear 3-flute bird's mouth joinery bits cut cleaner, faster, and smoother than any competitive 2-flute bit on the market. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear 3-flute bird's mouth joinery bits. Flawless multi-sided boxes without touching your miter gauge or chop saw settings. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.